Good morning, my dear children. Today we will study the poem Bird Talk. Before reciting the poem, let's see some few points. As the poem Bird Talk, it is basically a conversation between two birds sitting in a garden wherein they are discussing how they differ from human beings. They also mention that they have wings and they like sitting on wires and things which humans are incapable of doing. Having said that, they feel that they enjoy more freedom than human beings as they can fly away with their wings to any place they want to. So let's enjoy the poem. The one bird is Robin, as you can see in the picture. The other bird is Jay. This is an insect, beetle. And these are the colorful feathers which birds have. These are wires on which the birds. Let's enjoy the poem Bird Talk. Things said the robin, things said the jay, sitting in the garden talking one day. Think about people the way they grow, they don't have feathers at all, you know. Think, think, think. They don't eat beetles, they don't grow wings, they don't like sitting on wires and things. Think, think, think. Said the robin, things said the jay. Aren't people funny to be that way? Things said the robin, things said the jay. Sitting in the garden, talking one day. Now, I hope you all enjoy the poem. You have to learn the poem and recite in the same way as I did just now. Can you tell me the difference between birds and a man in this picture? Think, think. Yes, the birds are sitting on the wires and the man is sitting on the chair. The poem completes here, and in the next video we will do the rhyming words and the other activities given in the textbook.